Okay, um, let's look at this question together. In a survey of 60 students, 32 play football, 28 play basketball, 25 play volleyball, 15 play both football and basketball, 12 play football and volleyball, 10 play basketball and volleyball, 5 play all three sports. Okay, the first question says, draw a Venn diagram, okay, for the information. Well, we'll have to start from the most definite information here, which is the last one. 5 play all three. Okay, but before then, this is what the Venn diagram looks like. Okay, something like this, because we have three variables. We have football, we have basketball, and we have volleyball. So we need 3 circles. That's why we have 1, 2, and a third circle. So we'll start by labeling the circles. We'll give each circle maybe the initials. All right, so for football, I'll put down F here. All right, the next is basketball. I'll put down B here. And then the last is volleyball. I'll put down V here. Okay, now let's start with the most definite information. 5 play all 3 sports. So all 3 sports would be here. So 5 in here. Now, I would like to go backwards. Okay, why am I saying definite? Let's read this. 10 play both basketball and volleyball. What that means is, if you count the number of students that played basketball and volleyball, it should sum to 10. It doesn't mean that the people that played basketball and volleyball combined are 10. Alright? All the persons that play both basketball and volleyball sum to 10, including those that also played football while playing basketball and volleyball. You understand? So, for this basketball, volleyball, we're talking about this here. This area here. This area here. Here. Should be 10. This plus this should be 10. So what can I put in here such that if I add it to 5, I'll get 10? The answer is 5. So 5 here. Alright, we proceed. The next one. 12 play both football and volleyball. We'll have football here and we'll have volleyball down here. So we're talking about this area here. 12. Out of 12, we take out 5, we have 7. Right? Okay, alright. Let's proceed with that. 15 play both football and basketball. Alright, so we are taking 10 out of 15. Actually, we are taking 5 out of 15. I already knew the answer is 10, so I said that unconsciously. Okay, now we've used all of these downwards. 25 play football, volleyball. 25 play volleyball. Now this is the volleyball circle. Everything in here should sum to 25. So we're going to take out 5 and 5 and 7. So we're taking out 17 from 25. Let's do that. So 25 minus 17. Put 1 here, 15. Right? So 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 here. And that is 1 minus 1, 0. So 8 down here. Alright? So 8 will give us 25. Okay. Then 28 play basketball. 28 play basketball. We have 10 plus 5 plus 5. We have 20 already. So 8. And then the last one, 32 play football. We already have 15 plus 7. We have 22. Take that out of 32, we have 10. Alright. So we have our Venn diagram here, but it's not yet complete. It's not yet complete because not every student played something. Let's find out if actually every student played something. So we're going to start with this circle, the football circle. So we would say 10 plus 10, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 7, 32. Right? Okay. So 32, let's add 8. That'll be 40, plus 5, that'll be 45. So 45, let's add 8. that'll be 53. So, number of students that participated is actually 53. All right, whereas from here, we have 60 students. So 60 minus 53 gives us 7. So there are 7 students that didn't do anything. They're not interested in any of this. All right, now let's go ahead with the next. How many students play exactly 2 sports? Exactly 2 sports. Are people here? 2 sports exactly. This is 3 sports. These, just 1 sport. These, exactly 2 sports. These, exactly 3 sports. So exactly 2 sports. We're saying 10 plus 5, that's 15. 15 plus 7, 22. All right, so our answer here is 22. 22. All right, the next one. How many students play at least 1 sport? At least 1 sport means how many students actually were involved in this thing? That's everybody except this 7 out here that didn't do anything. So we just know it's 53. So 53. Now how many students play none of the sports? And that is 7. All right? Super.